they had many layered tasks. So they would have a parent task, and then they would have a subtask, and then they would have another subtask. And the symptom was that the team needed to bury down to see what they needed to work on. Um, Also, when it came to reporting, there was no simple way to select everything and tie them to a particular group or client or filter out. And so it was causing issues with reporting. With so many tasks, not the parent and the first subtask was not always well documented, and the structure was not consistent. So, unclear structures and rules. So, that was the next thing that we looked at. The recommendation would be to set up a very clear structure that every task can have one child task. And if something needs to be broken down further, that then it would be a checklist item. So we have parent task, child task, and checklist item.